This is the Shrader installation. 6 panels, 3 170s, 3 200s. All flat mounted. Got new wire. Customer already had the 170s. Junction box going down. They're wired in pairs. So it turned out really nice. I like the wire. It turns out nice. Blends to the roof. So that's my camp. There. I like it because there's nothing out there. So I'm going down the ladder now. Let's see here. Hold on. I gotta get on the ladder. Oh, Jesus. I'm getting too old for this. Had a brief intermission there. I'm a little stiff this morning. These are all worked out. So this is an Arctic Fox. Fifth wheel. And they have a little cubby hole here, which was kind of nice, and that's where all the equipment went in. So they didn't lose any storage. The inverter's there. That's the multi-plus 2 120 times 2, so it hooks up into the system. Disconnect switch for the inverter, and then we have 70 amp Victron here, 2 Renogy 200 amp hour batteries. Disconnect. Then we got the smart shunt and the dongle, Bluetooth dongle. And so it's a nice little cubby hole. So that's that. And that's the install. We're all done. And customers are happy, and I'm happy, and off they go. Take care.